Assalamu alaikum dear friends and engineers, and today we will talk about how you can import your own family, the family which you have downloaded from some website or somewhere else. You can import it to your Revit project. So how will you import it to your projects? And today we will talk about that. So let's get started. First I have to go to some of my families. Here I am clicking on the door. I am clicking on the load family. So these families comes by default. The families which you are seeing here on my screen, these comes in default when you install Revit. When you install your Revit, so these families will install by default. So if you want to further more families, let's say I am clicking on the door here. So these families, when I click on each one of the door, here it shows you that how will it look like when you implement it in your project, when you place it in your project. So these are the families which come by default. So if I want to import the families which I have downloaded, so let's say I am first showing you the families which I have downloaded here. So I am crossing it and I am minimizing my panel. Here I have a folder on my desktop. You can see it, Revit downloaded items. I am clicking over there. So I am viewing it by large icons so that you can be able to see these are the different kinds of families I have downloaded for my different Revit projects, and I can use them in my projects. I can import these families to different Revit projects. So let's say I want to import this bed and to Revit project, any of my projects. So let's get started and import this bed to Revit project. I am opening my Revit template, so I am clicking over there. Here you can, if you want to import any family which is over there, let's say you want to import the window which you have downloaded, so you will click on the window. If you import door, you will click on the door. If you import any other thing, so you will check on that item. But if you want a general item, just like I am now using this bed, so I am clicking on the component. I am just clicking on the component, and here I'll click on the load family. Okay, from here I'll go to my desktop where all the families are over there. So I am clicking on the Revit downloaded items. I am opening it, and here this bed I want to import it, so I am clicking on this bed and I am clicking on the open. So here it will show that model upgrade. This family will import. It is from 2009 and earlier versions, so it will import here in, it will be according to their own specifications. So here I have placed that bed. I want to show you in 3D. You can see, you can check it out. Here it is the bed I want to, if you want to see it in a realistic view, here I am clicking it and it is here imported. Let's say I want to import some chair also from my dit folder, so I am clicking on this. I am clicking on load family, and here I am going to desktop. Here Revit downloaded items, and I want to have some chair. Let's say having this chair or having this sofa type. I am opening it and it will import it now. Your model has been upgrading. So here if you want to place it, I am placing just like this, and pressing the space button, it changes its direction, orientation, just like that. You can check it out. So if you want to import your own families into Revit, the families which you have downloaded from different websites, you can use these items, you can use this trick, so it can easily be imported. These families can easily be imported to your Revit projects. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.